Think music, think 9X Media. We are India's largest music broadcaster with 5 music television channels and the Bollywood news portal, spotboy.com. Each of our channels is a leader in their respective genre. Our content appeals to the youth audiences across the country, reaching out to over 335 million viewers on television and more than 20 million on digital platforms. 9XM. 9XM is India's preferred Bollywood music destination. Super hit music shows and unique animated characters ensure that there is never a dull moment on the channel. 9XM Top 9. Vote for your favorite top 9 songs of the week. 9XM Selfie-ish. Request your favorite song by sending your selfie video request.
Hi, my name is Priyanka Chopra and I want 9XM to play my song Pinga from Bajirao Mastani because, you know what, I'm selfish for it.
Every day 4 p.m. 9XM Ask Track. India's first crowdsourced real-time playlist. Monday to Friday, 5:30 to 7 p.m. 9XM Smash Up. Todu ganon ko phir se todenge. Mashups of super hit tracks. 9XM Stardom, a launchpad for the next big thing in Bollywood, has launched JSL Singh and Fazil Puria in Bollywood with 10 million plus views on social media. Humor through animation with shows like The Bakwas Show, where Bade Chote hang out with the who's who of Bollywood. And hit properties like Bakwas Band Kar, Beetle Nuts, and many more.
Tap watch for this video. Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget now like and subscribe. Goodbye, children.